why I'm still chasing 500K. This is your favorite founder who's also a shoe designer. This is day 32. Please subscribe, follow, and like. So this is day 32. So this is 30 days, 31 days, a month, and 1 day. And so I've decided to allow you to see the level of effort, the small details, the large details, the small wins, the large wins, the amount of effort it takes a founder to get 500K in sales revenue and all of the minutia, all of the things that you have to do to get to 500K. Now, as a founder, I have already made 500K, but this is my first time doing it in public. And so it's going to be a really interesting dynamic for me to share with you how I do this. And then it's going to be really great for me so I can go back and historically look at how I did this. But there are three specific reasons why I have not quit. And then if you really think about the statistics and the viewpoint on small businesses, most founders would have already quit. But I'm not most founders. I get things done and I reach my goals. But there's three specific reasons why I have not quit yet. Why I'm still chasing 500K in the public eye. Number one, I have proof of concept. I have sold my footwear to businesses. I have sold my my footwear to customers. I've also sold my footwear direct to government. And that has always been my goal. Number two is I am that customer. I spent 20 years in the United States Army as a logistics officer, traveling the world. I've been to 54 countries. I've been to 2 wars wearing footwear that was made for men. My shoe size is 7.5. My military grade combat boots were size 6. So I am that customer and I understand what that customer needs. Number three, I have a note here. I'm going to read directly from my paper. I know what I am capable of to change the footwear industry to produce shoes women want to wear. So when I initially went to shoe school to learn how to make shoes, and I decided that there has to be a better way that women's shoes are offered. I really hadn't thought about how the footwear industry, the women's footwear industry, is the only industry where it's cool to be painful. The higher the heel, the closer to God. Pain for fashion. It's the only industry where I'm going to wear these absolutely stunningly beautiful shoes. They're going to be absolutely painful. I can really only wear them for 2 minutes, but I am going to pay $500 per shoe. So the ridiculousness, just the way that sounds, the ridiculousness of the way that sounds. However, that is an industry norm. And it's my goal to change that industry norm. You can have beautiful, absolutely stunningly beautiful shoes that are also comfortable, that are also wearable and walkable. I do that. I create shoes that way. Check us out, norieshoes.com. But that is my goal. But that is why I'm standing here in front of you, reaching my 500K. I'll let you know when I get there. I'll let you know when I'm halfway there. We're about 35% there. It might take a couple more months, but follow us on our journey. Support me, support my business. If you have any questions, send me a DM. If you have any questions as a founder, send me a DM and we can all do this together. Thank you.